So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Miniconda and needed packages. So let's start. First we will search for Miniconda. And now let's go to this link docs.conda.io. latest something, and now we'll search Miniconda for Windows PC. There it is. Now let's install Miniconda installer. Actually we are going to use Miniconda because it's lighter version of Anaconda, and we will install this 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit PC. So when you will install Anaconda, it takes too much space, so better we'll use Miniconda. And now let's install it. There it is. And now agree, and I will choose just me, and then I will click next. Yeah, so in my case it's already installed, so I'm getting this error, but in your case there should not be any error because I already have Miniconda in my PC, so I got this error. And now we will open this Anaconda prompt. So it looks like this, and you can see here is base. So basically we are now in base environment, and now so it's installed now. So second step will be to create new Python environment, because now we were in a base environment, now we have to create new environment. So for that this is the command conda create -n is for creating new environment, and this is the name we are going to give it to it, so you can name as you want. And Python version we'll be using here is 3.7. so command we have to put it like this, and then we'll press enter. So now new environment will be created, and we are going to create new environment because this is why Anaconda or Miniconda is very useful, because we can manage our packages. Otherwise we have to work on base environment, and we'll get messy, everything with there, and it's not good practice actually. So now to use new environment we have to activate it, so conda activate and the name of the environment. So new is the next step is to install jupyter-lab. This is the ID we are going to use for our project. And actually jupyter-lab is also kind of package, so all the package we'll need afterward we'll get it from anaconda.org. For example, we'll be needing numpy or any other, so we'll get it from here. So for now let's search for jupyter-lab. So there's some mistake. Okay, so the spelling was wrong. Let's search for jupyter-lab again, and there it is. So the first one, click on it, and then we'll copy this command, and we'll copy it and we'll paste it in our Anaconda prompt. So here just paste it here and then enter. So now it's going to install jupyter-lab. So in our environment, so the name of our environment is my-env, and now we have to put here yes, because we must install it, and then jupyter-lab is going to be installed there. It will take some time. So and after that we will be installing other packages which we will need later, so numpy, matplotlib, and then again we will search for numpy. For example, here in miniconda.org, let's search for numpy. So there it is. We'll copy this command and we'll paste it in our new environment. So all the package, keep in mind that we have to install upon new environment. So now let's search for matplotlib. So this is a tool for visualizing, so visualizing data, or so that we can see it there. We can for example plot bar diagram, or we can just plot data, anything in x and y plots, so like that. So let's install matplotlib, and once it's installed, I would say we are ready to go. So let's test if jupyter-lab is working. So to open jupyter-lab, we have to put this command. Simply just go to that environment and type jupyter space lab, enter. That's it. So now jupyter-lab is going to be installed. In my case, in Edge, Microsoft Edge. So we are now in jupyter-lab. So let's create new file or new notebook, Python, and here this is our notebook. So we will be working here. So let's try importing numpy, which we have installed. So like this, import numpy. Sorry if it's now small maybe, but the purpose is here only to test if it's working. For example, we have imported numpy, and let's just print some simple variables. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and we'll try to just print what's a plus b, just for testing purpose. So it's 3, yeah, okay. So now our everything's working, so we are good to go. So thanks for watching this video.